Hi everyone, this is Jeje and welcome back to Be Colorful. Here we are for the third Gatefold card that I'm gonna create using the Tonic Craft Kit 55. In particular, it will be a see-through Gatefold card. That is a card in which you can see the inside of the card thanks to the use of transparencies. In this case, I'm gonna use Vellum. So here is another way to use your intricate dies. First, I prepare the card base. Using this die of the kit, I'm gonna create the two flaps of the gatefold card. I cut it out by removing all the part beyond the first fold line, leaving just a little flap that will allow me to glue everything on the base. Then, with a pencil, I take the measurement to adapt the base to the size of the flaps, obtaining a 3 1/4 by 5 5/16 rectangle. As I already said, this will be a see-through gatefold card. Therefore, with this intricate die of the kit, I'm going to cut out the two flaps, thus creating the openings that will allow you to see the inside of the card. So I place the die, and to make the two flaps identical, I join them, die cutting together. I used a very thick cardstock, so obviously the flap below was not die cut correctly. But anyway, the die has imprinted the pattern, so now I know where to position it. Now let's create two panels with the intricate die and its matching die. I have already created these panels. As I told you in the first video of this series, I leave you the link below in the description box. I planned to use at least 12 of these panels for the gatefold card that I will create. So I die cut them all in one time. I will need these two intricate panels to finish off the front of the card. For now, let's move on to die cutting the vellum, which will be the delicate glass for this see-through gatefold card. You can leave the vellum like this, but I propose you a colored vellum. You can also buy it, but if you want, you can do it by yourself by using alcohol markers, opting for the color you prefer. I'm using the Nuvo alcohol markers included in the kit. So I'm going to color the whole panel in pink. You will notice that you will not get a uniform application of the color, but don't worry. The intricate panel will cover some of the vellum, and these lines will not be visible at all. We can leave one color panel, but we can also get a soft shadow effect by using a darker marker. And then blending using the lighter marker again. I color the second vellum panel. Finally, I let them dry for a while. Next, I'm gonna glue the vellum on the back of the intricate panels. Look, as you can see, the color lines are not visible, and with the colored vellum you get a beautiful and delicate effect. I glue the flaps of the gatefold card on the base. As well as the intricate panels with the vellum. Align them well. Let's move on to creating the closure for the gatefold card. We have seen in the two previous cards the closure with the ribbon and the pocket closure. Today I'm gonna create the more traditional one, the belly band. It can be done simply by die cutting a strip of paper, but the sky is the limit, and we can use other materials and embellish it as you like. In this case, in fact, I will not use paper, but acetate sheet. So I cut out a strip of acetate long enough to wrap the card. I fold well, never tighten too much. If you make a belly band too tight, it will be too difficult to extract and insert the card inside. I gonna glue the two ends of the strip with very strong double tape adhesive. And the clear band is ready. Now I'm gonna prepare the decoration. Since the card itself is very simple and essential, I'm gonna create a band with detailed decoration, which will be the focal point of the card. To create the decoration, I'm gonna use this intricate die from the kit and its matching die. I'm going to die cut 3 times on white cardstock. With just the full figure die, I'm going to die cut the vellum and glue it to the back of one intricate panel. And now let's color it. I use the 3 Nuvo markers included in the kit, light pink and dark pink for the flowers, green for what looks like leaves, and for the rest I use a dark turquoise marker. That's so cute! After coloring, I finish the back by gluing the second intricate panel. If you have noticed, the vellum gives the color a very soft tone, not very saturated, like a pastel effect. This, however, changes from side to side. The part where you applied the color is very bright, while on the other part the colors are more soft. For this reason, I'm going to color the frame with a silver glitter marker, spreading the color on what will be the front of the panel. If I apply the glitter marker on the back, as I did for the other colors, I get a pastel gray, while I want to give a touch of shine, a delicate contrast with the other soft colors. The third intricate panel will cover the imperfections and also make this decoration more solid. Look at that, it is really cute and very delicate. I glue the decoration on the acetate belly band and I finish the card with a simple "For You", one of the sentiments included in the kit, which I stamp with VersaFine Onyx black ink. I cut it out, forming a small strip of paper, which I glue on the top of the belly band. The video ends here. I hope you enjoy this very delicate and romantic card. I look forward to seeing you in the next video for another Gatefold card and another idea for using the intricate dies of this 50th kit from Tonic Studios. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Bye bye and be colorful.